Hello, good evening friends. Myself dietitian Trupti. Today I am going to speak a few lines about how important is breastfeeding. As we all know, the World Breastfeeding Week is going on from 1st of August to till 7th of August. So breastfeeding is very much essential for a newborn baby because a newborn baby through breastfeeding gets all vital nutrients not only specific to protein but also he or she gets uh, carbohydrates, fats, also all vitamin and minerals present within mother's breastfeeding. The first milk of the baby of the mother contains vital antibodies which helps the newborn baby to fight against all short-term and long-term chronic diseases and near future. It not only helps the baby to uh, uh, strengthen his or her immune system, but also it helps to uh, have a proper gut health, also helps in proper physical and mental overall growth and development of the baby, as well as it helps to uh, nourishes nourish the baby overall in overall health of the baby. It also helps in uh, fighting against serious stomach related infections, allergies, then asthma condition. Then in near future the newborn baby don't face type 1 juvenile diabetes if the baby is uh, gets sufficient breast milk of the mother. It not only helps the newborn baby but also it helps breastfeeding mother to fight against various chronic health issues in near future like type 2 diabetes, then other health complications like high cholesterol, blood sugar management. It helps also in weight loss. Extra weight gain occurs during pregnancy time, which breastfeeding helps a lot in burning extra calories through breastfeeding. A newborn born baby is dependent on mother's milk. So the newborn baby's mother's diet is very much crucial as she is a lactating mother. The newborn baby's mother should have a proper balanced diet during the lactating period. She shouldn't skip any prime meal. She shouldn't make long hours of diet gap. She shouldn't take any outside food during the lactating period. As well as the lactating mother should include different fruits, salads, nuts, different form of millets like oats, dalia, ragi, quinoa into her regular routine diet. Milk, curd, paneer, pulses and legumes, all green vegetable, leafy vegetables should be included into her routine diet. She should make a proper planning of her diet prior to one day, so she won't miss any prime meal during the lactating stage. She should take dry fruits every day, at least one serving, as well as she should take proper amount of nourished milk at least 1 to 2 times in a day, as well as paneer into at least 4 to 5 days in a week, at least one time. Green vegetable, leafy vegetables, at least 3 to 4 servings in a whole day's diet should be included. As well as if she wants, she can take non-veg, but not at the beginning stage of lactating stage. After some few months of lactating, she can start with boiled egg or boiled egg white or boiled egg with yolk, as well as lean chicken in the form of stewed form or soup form, rather than having in various rich masala gravy fried form. She should avoid papads, pickles, fried items, deeply rich in masala rich spicy items, as she is feeding her breast milk to the baby. Because if she will take different outside foods, it will impact babies different physical and mental growth overall. It also affects babies digestion problem, creates digestion problem as well. So breastfeeding is very much important for a newborn baby rather than formula milk. If the lactating mother's breast milk is insufficient in the early stage, she can take fenugreek methidana water in the morning after brushing, or else she can as well as she can take in the daytime gond ka laddu, the different dry fruits laddu, different seeds laddu in the as mid morning snacking and evening snacking. Roasted makhanas also she can include into her routine diet. So these sort of dietary improvement modification will help a lactating mother during the breastfeeding uh, time. The breastfeeding mother, not breastfeeding baby as well as mother, both will be benefited to the feeding. Breastfeeding is very much important because it creates a close bonding in as well with the mother with the baby, and it is very convenient and low in cost. So these are the things which is very for which is very much essential to uh, for a newborn baby to be breastfed rather than dependent on the formula milk. After from 6 months onwards, the lactating mother can introduce semi liquid foods gradually, and then convert then from 8 months onwards semi solid to 9 months semi solid up to 1 year. She can introduce with semi solid things, then gradually she can introduce with solid foods if the baby is able to digest the foods properly. So the, these are my concern. These are my points which I want to discuss during for the breastfeeding. How important is breastfeeding uh, for a newborn baby? Thank you. Bye bye. Good night. Take care.